Hi, my name is Shannon Kessel and I am taking my vehicle in for a much needed spring cleaning reset, and you're coming with me today. Spring cleaning is the perfect opportunity before the sun, salt, and sand of summer get into every nook and cranny to give yourself a nice reset. So now I'm at 316 Southern Boulevard, Mintz Eco Car Wash, downtown West Palm Beach with our site manager, Evan Monteleone. He's seen my vehicle, he's lifted up the mats, moved around the seats, taken a full look, and now he's gonna make a recommendation to me on what interior does my vehicle need in order to achieve my spring cleaning goals.
Baseline of interior is what we call our maintenance interior. The goal there is to simply maintain the great condition of your vehicle. Our next detail service is what we call our mini interior. Our mini interior detail is going to be kind of a great intermediate level clean. We're going to focus on a very deep vacuum, a very nice deep grease of all surfaces, and even clean those windows for you. One notable feature of that interior is our shampoo service of our mats. So what I tell all of our clientele, if you're looking for your car to look as good as it was the day you picked it out, the full interior is a great reset, and we often recommend that for kind of a great spring cleaning clean, right? Get that car back to brand new shine.
Because of the pet hair, the sand, and the stains in my seats, it sounds like you're recommending the full interior today.
The full interior is going to be what I believe would accomplish your goals today of having that factory fresh interior. Our full interior process into a handful of steps here. The very first step is going to be a vacuum out and degrease of all surfaces, right? We need to get all of the crud, if you will, out of the vehicle, and that's going to include sand and pet hair mostly. Once we've removed that surface level debris, now we're going to move into the shampoo sector. On a full interior, we're going to start by shampooing your seats because that's what's going to take the longest to dry. After you pick your vehicle up, you may notice a little bit of dampness. That's going to clear itself out within the first 24 hours. We're also going to, from there, transition down to your carpet. That's going to be our largest surface area in your vehicle to shampoo. And then we're going to finally go through the mats, extract all of the mats as well, get those nice and factory clean. We're even going to stripe those mats for you to get that great visual appeal.
Great.
From there, we're going to come back through, do a final degrease. If you would like interior dressing, this is where that would be added. Once we finish shampooing all of our areas and applied any interior dressing, we're now going to go forward and touch up those windows with a final application of window clean. Our window cleaner on our sites is eco-friendly and alcohol-free, so it's safe on all levels of car, regardless of tint. And once we've touched up those windows and mirrors, it's time for the delivery of the final product.
Thanks so much for joining us today as we saw a closer look at spring cleaning here at Mintz Eco Car Wash. If your vehicle is in need of the same kind of reset that mine was, go ahead and find your nearest location at mintzecocarwash.com/locations. Come on out and visit us for a free detail consultation with our team of experts.